Stay compliant. When sending emails for your business's marketing campaign, it's important to stay compliant with the CAN-SPAM Act, Controlling the Assault of Non-Solicited Pornography and Marketing Act. This act imposes several detailed requirements on businesses and individuals that send commercial emails to customers and subscribers. Here is a brief overview of the CAN-SPAM Act regulations. No false or misleading header information, no deceptive subject lines, inclusion of an opt-out mechanism, inclusion of the sender's valid physical postal address, identification of the message as an advertisement or solicitation, honor opt-out requests promptly, and monitor what others are doing on behalf of your business. If you feel you're ready to start running effective email programs to build and segment high-quality lists, design high-converting email templates, continuously test and optimize your campaigns, I've got good news for you. You can do all of this inside of one single tool, and it's completely free, no credit card required. If any of that sounds interesting to you, just sign up for a free trial of GetResponse and start making some real results.